Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to share to you about how to make the hotel. Anyway, this is about the basic model of the hotel. Okay, anyway, this is about the basic model of the hotel, and then I will make the development of this hotel. Okay, and now we can make the another design. Okay, now we can explore more about the podium first. We can select the rotate rectangle. We can select the rectangle in here and click from this corner and then to this corner in here. Okay, and after that now we can just triple click and push it to the another side in here. And then on the position, then now we can triple click, right click, sorry, we can click and push it to the another side in here. Okay, and then now we can click the rectangle and just click and just place to the position, and then now we can place on the another position in here. Okay, so this is about the basic shaping in here, and then now we can make group. Okay, I will show you about the floor plan. Okay, I will show you about the floor plan. So this is about the every single unit floor plan. This is a bedroom in here, and this is about the bathroom in here. So you can explore more about it. You can explore more and develop this one. And this is about the vertical surfaces and also the circulation vertical circulation area. And this is about the emergency exit in here. And this is also the emergency exit. And this is about the communal or additional room, and the right wings is all about the communal and also the additional room in here. Okay, we will back on the podium design in here. Okay, now we can determine about the shaping of podium design. Maybe we can make it more larger. We can make like a L shape in here. Okay, on this podium design, or maybe we can make it more slim in here. Then we can select the 2-point arc and make the curve in here on the position. Then we can click and push it until to the position in here, and push it until to the limit in here, and then okay, now we can just select the curve. Then now we can push it down in here. Okay, and then now we can just click and select move, tap control, and then we can just place on the position in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, then now we can make the curve in here again. And okay, we can make the curve on the position. Anyway, we can just erase this one. Okay, then now we can just click and select a move, tap control, and just place to the position here. Okay, then now we can triple click and select this line. Okay, we can select this line in here. On the position in here, we can select the curve. Okay, and select this line. Okay, we have already select this one, and then now we can just offset it inside in here. Okay, and then we can offset it inside again to make the surfaces in here. Just click and select edit, copy, exit from the group, and then edit, just space in place and push it down until to the position in here. And then now we can triple click and make group. Okay, and after that now we can select the glass in here, and then now we can also assign about the opacity level and darkness level in here. Then now we can click this line and select move, tap control, and just click and then just place to the position, and then we can type 12/ and enter in here. Okay, and then we can just click and select move, tap control, and just place, type 3/ and enter in here, and just click and select move, tap control, and just place, type 3/ and enter in here. Okay, now we can select the line and just select this position and type 3/ and enter in here. Okay, so this is about the position. This is about the hotel shaping in here. Anyway, we can also make the another shaping. We can make the rectangle in here on the position in here. Okay, then now we can just scale until to the position here, and scale this one and make the line. And okay, we can place and erase some unnecessary line here. We can erase. Okay, also this is the basic sharp surface, and then now we can select the 2-point arc, and then now we can make the curve in here. Okay, and then now we can click and offset it inside in here, and erase this one and push it to the another side in here, to be this position in here. And then now we can make the line in here and just we can triple click and make group. Okay, now we can click and just place. Now we can erase, and then now we can click and also place the position in here. Okay, so this is look more iconic anyway. Then now we can make it more curvy. We can make it more curvy in here and just click and push it until to the limit in here, just like this. And okay, we can just place. Okay, we can select this one and select on the position in here. Then now we can select the curve and push it until to the position in here, and also this one we can make the curve and click and place to the position in here. Okay, now we can just click and select a move type control, and okay, now we can select the curve and select move type control and click type 6/ and enter in here, just like this. And now we can divide it into to be a panel. Okay, select move type control. Okay, select move type control, this one, and just place type 5/ and enter in here. Okay, and then now we can just select the color. Okay, now we can determine and adjust about the color. Okay, we can select the base color with using this one. Okay, but we have to adjust. We can set up about the saturation. Okay, we can set up about the saturation level in here to make it more bold in here. Okay, so this is about the basic shaping in here, and okay, maybe we can set up more. Maybe we can set up more. So anyway, it could be something in here. Okay, now we can set up with this one, and okay, we can place on the position in here, and maybe we can make this one to be okay, we can make this one to be a decking in here. Okay, now we can just select the cladding. Okay, maybe for this one, and now we can also put another something in here. Anyway, this is about my template in here. Okay, we can put like a outdoor dining table in here. Okay, now we can click the perimeter in here. You can click the perimeter. Okay, and just offset it inside, and just click the surface and copy, exit from the group and paste in place and push it up type 1.2 meter in here, and triple click, make group, and assign about the glazing. Okay, we can assign about the glazing on the position in here, and okay, we can determine that it could be like a drop off area in here anyway, and okay, we can just place. Okay, we can move on the position. Okay, now we can just move on this one and move on this position here. Okay, and then now we can move it down a little bit in here. Okay, sorry. Okay, I think it was great. And then now we can select the asphalt. Select this concrete. Select the concrete, and so this is about the canopy for the drop off, and make the curve and make the diagonal line in here and make the curve, and just click and just place on the position in here, and just triple click and also make group, and then now we can determine this one to be a landscaping. Okay, make group. Okay, then now we can select the landscape, assign the grass materials in here, and okay, Okay, this one, and it could be a landscape also in here on the position to be a circulation. Okay, it's like this, and then now we can put the materials. We can put the component in here. Okay, we can put the component on the position in here. Okay, it's like this, and then now we can put the vehicle to make it more representative in here. Okay, we can make the vehicle in here, and so this is about the lobby area in here. And okay, we can offset it outside in here to be a lobby. Sorry. Okay, and then now we can assign about the signage. Okay, unique signage in here, and okay, then now we can put the another silhouette people in here. Okay, this one, and it's done. Okay, we can put the another concrete materials on that position in here, and also this position. Okay, or we can make it more have a skylight in here. Okay, it's like this. Okay, now we can activate about the shadow, or we can just click the paint color in here to make it more dark, or we can select the color wheel. We can set up about the color anyway. Okay. Okay, maybe just like this. Okay, and then now we can activate about the shadow. Okay, we can set up about the shadow with this setting. Okay, this is about the shadow setting, and we can determine. Okay, we can determine about the shadow setting also in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Anyway, this is a vertical surfaces area, and this is a drop-off lobby, so you can explore more about this. This is just only basic model, but it could help you to make it more great 3D model in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Have a good day, everyone.